Hi, today let's make super tasty dahi vada at home. Trust me, this tastes better than what you have in the restaurant. First, you need urad dal, which is cleaned, washed and soaked for 4 hours. Now I'll transfer it to the blender and blend it into a smooth paste. Don't make it too smooth. This should be the consistency, and you need to beat the batter really very well if you want super soft melt in your mouth vada. The tip is beating or whisking the batter beautifully like this. Now I'm adding in salt and again whisking it really very well till it's light and airy. Now our batter is ready. Let's make our curd mixture. I take in fresh curd, not the sour curd. Take fresh curd, beat it really very well till it's smooth. Now I'm adding in powdered sugar. You can check, you can play around with the sweetness. Again, beat it really very well for that silky smooth creamy texture and keep it aside. Now in a pot, take a wide mouth pot like this. Add in warm water, hing and salt and mix it really very well and keep it aside. Now let's start frying our vadas. Heat the oil and start frying the vadas. Drop the batter slowly one by one. There is no proper shape which you need. Any shape is fine because later it's coated with vada. The only thing is the vada needs to melt in your mouth. Slowly start flipping the vadas and it needs to turn crispy golden brown. That is when you need to take off the vada. And then what you need to do is transfer it into the warm water which we made it previously. And just before having it, soak it for at least 30 minutes. And then just before serving it, squeeze out all the water from here. Place it in the serving bowl and add in the chilled cold curds which we previously prepared. And then what you need to do is add in green chutney. Then you can add in dates and tamarind chutney as well. I've made my chutney recipes, you can check in my previous videos. And then you need to sprinkle in some chaat masala, sprinkle in some salt, sprinkle in some roasted cumin powder. This is another secret. And then sprinkle in some Kashmiri chili powder, and that's it. Your super tasty restaurant style dahi vada is ready to serve. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.